nothing to say to your creator before you strike him down? No.
That doesn't scare me. I'd like to see him try.
No man can pass through the gate.
Doomslayer. Codename DM-15. The Doomslayer, or the Doom Marine, is described as being thousands of years old, an ancient warrior entombed in a sarcophagus, not dead, but rather cursed to slumber for eternity unless awakened by some other means.